Hishine Optoelectronics Tech Company Limited is a high-power LED lighting company established in 2010. The company integrates R&D, production, sales, and after-sales. Headquartered in Shenzhen, production bases are located in Huaibei, Anhui, and Jiangmen, Guangdong, with 40,000 square meters of self-owned factories and more than 100 employees. We focus on high-quality, high-power LED stadium lights, LED high-mast lights, LED street lights, LED parking lot lights, LED grow lights, LED high bay lights. The company passed the Quality System certification in 2013 and strictly produces in accordance with the 5S standard. It is a national high-tech enterprise cooperating with the Chinese Academy of Sciences. We have a strong R&D team, design and mold private patented products, have won praise from the industry, won the recognition of buyers from more than 100 countries, and supplied more than 20 large-scale international engineering lamps, including the Olympic Stadium in Bolivia. The company has one-stop production capacity, die casting department, sheet metal department, powder spraying department, surface treatment department, SMT department, automatic assembly production line, production and testing equipment, 5-layer QC quality inspection to ensure production capacity and quality. Welcome your OEM and ODM projects. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.